How to easily remove your PIN from Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily remove the PIN code you have to enter while you log into your PC. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button on the video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your settings, and in order to completely disable your PIN, you will need to log in using a local account and not use your Microsoft account. It has some limitations, but that's what you need to do in order to remove your account. So first head over to account and info. Now from here you just want to scroll down and then go ahead and click on sign in options. If you click on it, you will see that I have set up a PIN and I only have an option to change the PIN, but I cannot remove it. So in this case, what you need to do is go ahead and click on accounts again, and then click on this option right here, account and control. So just go ahead and scroll down, click on this option right here, and once you have done that, you will have to sign in using a local account. Now, if you don't see the option here, you just have to go back, click on your info, and here you have an option to sign in with a local account. Just click on it, and as you can see here, you want to switch to local account. It will ask you, then click on next, and then you just have to enter your current PIN. So I'm just going to do that, and you'll have to enter your username right here, then your new password, confirm your new password. You can also add a password hint. But if you don't want any password, you can just leave it empty. Click on next and you will be signed into your local account. And there you don't have to enter any login credentials like your password or PIN to access your PC. But you have to be very careful as anyone can just open up your computer and access all of your info. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.